I took a stroll on the old long walk on a day. I met a little girl and we stopped to talk on a fine soft day. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking a walk around the Sahim Brown with a Galway girl. We were halfway there when the rain came down on a day. And she asked me up to her flat downtown on a fine soft day. And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. So I took her hand and I gave her a turn, and I lost my heart to a Galway girl. When I woke up, I was all alone. With a broken heart and a ticket home. And I ask you now, tell me what would you do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? 'Cause I've tried around, I've been all over the world, and I never seen nothing like a Galway girl.